Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Okay, I'm here today to show you or tell you about how I got my deal on my spell binders, and it was through the Stamps of Life. But as well as that, I'm here to share some mail that I received from some very special people. They are so loving and caring and always support my channel. I appreciate it. The first one's from Samantha. I also got one from Elsa. She is the bargain hunter. I'm going to leave the link to both of their YouTube channels in my description box below so you can go check them out. But how fun. Look at her washi and then the snowflake. Oh, and it's a Christmas wish. Oh, and it's, sparkles. Woo! So, Merry Christmas and a blessed 2021 from Elsa the Bargain Hunting Crafter. Oh, this is cute. Thank you so much, Elsa. I appreciate it. And then this is from Sam. Oh my gosh. Look at her poly envelope she used. All the kisses all over it. And it looks like it's a Valentine wish. Oh. And then it just says, be mine. And then she's used some die cuts. She's layered it a few times. She's wrapped this jute around it like a belly band. Oh, and then she has embossed Happy Valentine's Day on the inside. How sweet. Aw. By Sweet Tea and Grace. I love this. Thank you so much. And then she's got this little canvas bag she's included with some goodies. I love socks, for reals. Like, I wear socks around my house because I have tile. And just the cold floor, I don't like it. So I always wear socks. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. How cute is this canvas bag that cinches closed? Oh, thank you. Thank you, Samantha. Thank you, Elsa. Okay, so this Spellbinders machine, because I am a Gold Club member, I get 20% off, I believe, automatically on anything they have on their website. And so their machines, this is not even their machine, you know, it's another vendor's machine, but you still get the discount on it. So 20% off of this. And then I also had $40, I believe, in gift certificates from my annual renewal. So for each club, the Die Hard and the club kit, you get a certain amount of money every year they give you to spend in their shop. And it adds up to $40. I forget what the breakdown is between the two clubs, but so I applied that as well. So I got this machine for under $100, and because it was over $100, it costs more than $100, you get free shipping. So I got free shipping on top of that. So I'm so excited. I love the benefits from the Stamps of Life. I like the creativity that Stephanie puts into her products and just the ease that you can use it all together. I'm still busting out club card kits, so you will still see those. I probably have 6 to go, and there's going to be one arriving here any day now, so I'll have 7 to work on. But I am making progress, so it's good, it's good. But I hope you guys are having a crafty day, and if you have questions about the club or anything, leave them in the comments below. And until my next video, shakas!